longs unless
Morning.
we break above like
One.
715.
Hello, hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm also looking for 600. I think we got to go get it. So I think we're too close not to. ES being a little ways away from its gap fill is interesting to me. So maybe we set up an S&P, maybe something happens like that. We'll have to see what that looks like. But I also am leaning a little bit to the downside here.
Can we
I like
feel
up
the
in the
gap
650
today?
area. Yeah, and I think that's the big question, right? I think it's, what are we gonna do when if we can get down there?
That's the only thing I want to see happening today.
My gut says yes, but we'll see. All right, ding, 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 let's go.
Ding, ding, ding.
If we were to reject, I would expect the rejection possibly 667 to 680.
Yeah.
Previous week high and yesterday's value area low. Unless we can reclaim yesterday's value, but I think maybe we open below, have an opening drive up.
Whoa, okay.
Oh, okay
Yeah,
or not.
so we had a good
Powerful.
news for semis. So indeed is flying. Most likely all semis are moving higher. Most likely that's gonna drive the market higher also.
Yep. Motion 25.7. That was quite the push on open. It was a little caught me a little off guard. Watch up into 740. Kind of that pre-market high up here, right? We'll go get that right away. That'd be wild.
Yep.
And then
This is actually pretty insanely bullish. We can't even close the gap. And we're already trading back above yesterday's value high.
yeah,
I'd like to
we're
see us
pushing right into
accept
the
above
pre-market high.
this.
Well, we didn't close the gap. ES still has a lot
Yeah,
of
that's what I'm
work to
saying.
do.
This is extremely bullish.
That's
We
what
can't,
Amp is saying. We
sellers
haven't
can't
closed the
even
gap
close
at
the
all.
gap.
Right. Because we haven't,
Oh, I'm
that's
sorry.
what's interesting. We were
Yeah, I
only
got it.
8 points away on NQ from closing the gap. We couldn't even do that, right? Like
Yeah.
that's a really telltale sign that we pushed that hard off of it. Reclaiming 740, this pre-market high, and holding above that, I think you easily have 800 in sights, right?
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens here at this pre-market high right here, which could be a spot where we get stuck. Previous day high on ES is right there at 37. So
Yeah, 740. It's a big level to watch today again.
watch as we push down to 700 here. Gold looking like it wants to break down below this 80.
What a reaction at 740.
Yeah, I don't even think we took overnight high. Nuts.
Yeah, that was a perfect reaction.
We
On
did not.
ES
We didn't take
also.
overnight high. Pre-market high still there. I think
I'm gonna try
ES
longs here. I'm long
day high.
692.
That was a nice wick test at 688.
Seeing if we can hold overnight view up. It should bounce to 685.
Nice little hold of 80 on gold as well. Very interesting there.
So we have more data today.
We had some stuff this morning, but nothing. Maybe stay close on gold. We break back below that. That could push us down probably to 50. I know it seems like a long ways. I mean, probably start at 65-ish. We break below 80 on gold, and then I like down into 50.
Wait, I think we had data at 10 a.m.
Today? Hold on.
Consumer confident at 10.
Yeah, consumer confidence and manufacturing index. It's orange folder. Probably not a whole lot there, ADR, but
All
I
right, I
mean,
took partials off on my long. I was long from 692.
nice.
Took 3 off there. I'll take another one off at overnight high. And then I'll leave a runner.
I want to see NQ breaking 740 and 740 acting as support. I think that's the level we need to watch right now. If we want to see more upside, and it's to break that level.
Yeah, you're looking for like a break over 620.5 on Qs.
Yep.
And then obviously on SPY, it's like 685.5, give or take. Ballpark in SPY QQQ.
What's that copy tool that you're using, Martinez? Oh, trade copier. Okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm just on the free trial right now.
Mm.
But I don't know. I don't know if I want to end up getting it or if I want to wait out to see what the Tradeivy changes are going to be.
That's what I'm
But
interested in too.
so far, I mean, I really like it.
Is it a one-time fee? Is it a paid subscription? How does it work?
No, it's
The
a
pay model?
monthly.
Okay.
I think
I
it's
would just use that
40.
until Tradeivy announces their stuff, man.
That's kind of what I'm kind
They're
of
saying early
more still planning
2026,
on.
probably be like March.
Gotcha. But yeah, like I never wanted to use TradeSync. I just always heard crazy stories about it. And then my buddy, something happened to all my buddies' accounts with like somehow the user IDs crossed between firms. And he lost a crap ton of accounts overnight from like someone with a matching ID. It was like forcing his trades to, or his accounts to enter trades. But so he posted
What?
all about it on Twitter. And then I don't
That's
know if this is
insane.
Brian Stonk's copier or if he's just like affiliated with it. But when they kind of heard about his nightmare that happened, they gave him like a trial or whatever, and he's the one that kind of has been talking to me about it a little bit.
Yeah, the difficult thing about these trade copiers are that is
I'm
something
seeing
happen that it will happen. Like it's only normal when a software has a problem, right? So especially with something so new. So if something happened, you're screwed. If you're copy trading
Yeah.
all your accounts.
Mm-hmm.
So one thing I'm seeing here on NQ is sellers being absorbed here at 938, 936, 938 here. Which is, you can also see right here on the delta on the right, holding overnight VWAP, or holding the weekly VWAP, or holding daily open right now. So I'd like to see this
This
push.
700 hold is good. Looks decent right now.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait to see if we're gonna break a pre-market high on both ES and NQ, or QQQ and SPY. Can we hold pre-market high as support? That's a green light for me to go long. I'm just waiting for that. Also, in my mind, we have a, so when I'm seeing the bigger picture, the daily time frame, we have higher highs and higher lows. So we have a bullish trend now. On Friday, we broke the downtrend that ES and NQ had. But so far, we keep reacting pre-market high, or
Okay, I
overnight
got
high.
stopped break even on my runners.
NQ back below 700.
Right now we have a TPT with the 40% off and no activation fees. We have Tradeify with 30 or 35% off. And we have Apex also 80% off that I think it ends today.
Okay. Nice little hold there on ES, pushing a little bit higher here. ES now taking that high.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see ES up over the 69.38-ish here. Almost 40 on both, 69.40 and then 25.740. Kind of over 40 on both is good, I think. So watch that.
NQ is having trouble
Gold's
here.
still struggling.
Because Nvidia is having trouble at 184.50, which is an important resistance level. It needs to break that. If that happens, I think NQ is gonna fly.
Yeah. Nvidia's high yesterday was 184 and a 0.10-ish. So holding over that is a pretty good sign.
A lot of sellers being absorbed on NQ here, but normally take a long, but we're kind of struggling to stay above yesterday's value, which just I don't like.
77 spot on gold is interesting. We slipped that. I think you're going down to 65.
Okay, Nvidia is breaking out.
Yes, good.
We can start seeing NQ here moving. Yes, definitely stronger than NQ.
Yes, looking good. Breaking over that 38. If it gets to 40-ish here, that's a good push. Nice. Right back into 40. Let's see what it does here.
$7.40, still trouble here.
Yeah.
ES was a lot cleaner.
ES was great. Yeah,
Mhm.
ES looks fantastic. Let's looking at it now. It's over that high previous day in pre-markets, holding nicely. Looks good.
Yeah. So we can look for a break and retest here if we pull back on ES, holding overnight
Yeah, looking for
high.
37-ish, 36.
I'm seeing right here is right now today's orb high is lined up with yesterday's 50%. I kind of want to see if we flip this though and push out of orb. Otherwise, like maybe a retest down to 700s for like 50% of orb today.
Yep. The 15-minute orb is exactly 100 points to the tick on NQ. So 689-ish is your midline. I guess it's 687, 88, something like that. So on the 15-minute. Okay, watch. See if gold here starts slipping down, gets below 77.
Okay, nice push.
Okay. Trying now. Trying hard to get over this. 740 and hold.
Yeah. I want to see a pullback here on ES.
Oh,
I don't know if we're gonna have it.
yeah.
We're gonna get it.
That may not happen.
That break-even stop was unfortunate.
Yeah. I got stopped out too, amped in the long. It's just that whereas ES, it never would have happened, right? Like ES was much cleaner in terms of how it acted. So unfortunate, but it's what it is. Move on. So 740 still showing showing its teeth there.
Yeah.
So it's an ES pullback though. Back into that 39. Um
Come on, Nias, give me a pullback here. Okay.
There's like pre-market high, yesterday high, and overnight high all stacked right here at 936 ES.
Mm-hmm. I'd like to see it come back and touch that for a possible retest long entry.
Yeah, I got in on ES there. I'm gonna add more if we have a little, if we pull back to 937, maybe, yeah, 937, 936.
Dude, sellers are fucking hitting it hard right now.
I don't love how NQ is looking. Still not able to break 740.
Oh. ES goes here. It might be a little upsetting for me. I had limit orders at 937 and at 935.5.
Oh,
No, okay.
yeah.
Not ideal. Not ideal.
Yeah.
That mean I need a little more. That's okay. It is what it is. We move on. Thank you with the doji there on the 2-minute.
Yeah.
Might try
Looks
some
good for
NQ
ES.
longs.
I'm gonna start taking some profits here.
Thank you over 40 here.
Okay, holding 10 runners. We still can go a little bit lower. Yes, retest. Even 936, 935.
Yeah, those are the levels like I was watching that I kind of wanted my long. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm a little bit less interested now. Not that I won't get in, but I now need to see what happens. I'm not gonna limit in and put it on the chart.
So too long between Enki and ES is better. Right now it's better to long ES because ES show us that it's definitely stronger than NQ. NQ still have a lot of trouble at 740.
Yeah, I think the difference there too is ES is above resistance levels and Q is below it, right? Just that alone would make me normally think that I would rather
Yeah.
long ES.
Yeah, Apple really nice move today, but on the bigger picture still it's on a downtrend. But that might be what it's helping ES to hold or go higher.
I think as
Yeah,
long as NQ can hold 714, we trade higher.
watch out. Nvidia is now below previous day
Yeah,
high.
Nvidia
It's
is having a lot
180.
of trouble here, so
Yeah,
I'll be careful. If
but I mean,
Nvidia
it's
loses the VWAP, we're gonna see more downside on NQ.
I was gonna say we may
QQQ
hold
also
VWAP
add
on it.
VWAP.
I took a 720 break right there. Just trying to see if I can get it down to 680.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
It's still holding here, right at this,
Yeah.
right at this level. And be careful though.
Yes, needs to hold here. 936. Yeah, I don't like
Agreed.
that. Also 936, 935. Needs to hold. Yeah, no, I don't like that. The
Yeah, watch it,
Q
930.
QQQ lost the VWAP also. Oh, we have data in 5
QQQ below
also.
619.2 is gonna probably get us back down quite a bit to 617.5 or so, 617 3/4. I don't like that. I think you're gonna get your 80 Ross. I think it's coming.
Man, I'm already out because
Oh,
I trailed way too tight.
damn. Yeah, I think 80's coming. I mean, this QQQ lost previous day close. It's gonna
Yep.
go. Yep. Yep. Yep.
What's the news at 10?
It's orange folder LT, so I don't think there's much. I'll find it again. Hold on. What up? Consumer confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index.
Okay. Or 80.
Oh, I think yes, kind of looks like a fake out.
That's a strong little bounce off that
Yeah.
30 area that open. You really need to see I mean, IQ get back over 700 too, at least for me. What I'm doing. I swear to God, gold is gonna dip again. Gold is struggling. Watch gold below 77.
SPY is still holding the VWAP. Nvidia's looking weak.
Yep, there's 77 loss on gold. Now we're into 73. I'm assuming we're gonna go down some more. Again, gold, watch gold down into 65. 64. Yeah, there's more. 970. That was good. Gold is getting real whippy.
Oh, I wanted to fuck. I wanted to buy 4470.9 on gold. Damn, dude, to the tick. 50% of his range. Oh man, that was sick.
And cute. Very, very weak.
Yeah, I think he looks like it's got more downside. That's slipping. Ooh.
Are we gonna go for the gap now? Hopefully. Okay.
Yeah, slipping. Yeah, I still think if we close below 650 this on NQ, this is wild. I mean, I think they've got to go.
It's failing value area high and also low.
I would love to
Can
see
agree
NQ to
with.
600.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bill written all over it. At
Overnight.
least for me.
Overnight low
Yeah.
sweep into 600 would be cool.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm leaving early today because I have a flat tire that I need to fix.
Look at that move on gold. Yep, there it was. Down to 55. Beautiful. What a move.
Are you
What
on tomorrow,
a
ADR?
Yeah. Yes.
gold was so clean. Oh jeez.
You guys? You guys are gonna trade tomorrow?
I I won't be. I'll
Still
be off
deciding.
tomorrow.
It's half day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Christmas Eve is a big family day for me, so I'll be off. I'll be back Friday, but I'll be off tomorrow. Gold. Oh, so good.
I'm gonna see if I can get one more trade today. And then be done with my day. I don't wanna push it. I'm having a very good month so far. But I'm red today. Small red day so far. Come on, just go to 600 already. I like this 924 hold on ES. But I want to see the market just go lower and fill the gap already.
Yeah, that's where I'm at
Yeah.
too. I'm kind of waiting to see what happens. Watching this 72 rejection on gold.
Mm.
Weekly open hold there.
Yeah.
I'm kind of salty I missed this trade. Another structural 50%. I just completely whiffed. Oh, that looks like a pretty bad rejection on ES from the daily open and VWAP.
Yep. Yeah, the PDC that opened, yeah, that's pretty rough.
Dude, the statistical footprint is just killing it lately. ES rejection off a weekly bearish pivot. The overnight bounced. The daily bullish pivot. Gold rejecting the extreme all night.
Gold back into that 77 is interesting. We get up there.
Gonna try a reaction here. Very small size. Try an ES reaction. So my stop loss is this 5-minute candle. I added more there. And I'm looking for a pullback to 9.15. Maybe 9.13. I want to see if this is a bear flag. Okay, I want to see this candle closing, rejecting this level. If closing, holding that level, it's definitely not a bear flag, and I'll be out and done for today. Okay, I like that. I don't like, nope, I don't like that.
Probably short on NQ here at 680.
Yeah, I like that reaction, 680 reaction. Waiting to see how this candle is gonna close. Yeah, I like that reaction. Nope. Yeah, ES is too strong. Okay, I don't.
This action, guys, it's not for me.
Yeah.
This ain't it. This ain't my type of action here.
Yeah, no, I'm out. Yep. Okay, I'm done. 2 red trades, I'm done. Yeah.
Alrighty, I'm out of here. We'll see you guys. Have a good
All
one.
right, have a good one,
I'll be
LT.
caught up in some chop on this crazy week, so don't stick around too long to force something.
Yeah.
Yeah, smart man.
That's right.
Alrighty,
All
we'll
right,
see you
brother.
guys. Have a good one.
Later, bud.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm done. I need to leave, and I already have 2 red trades, and I don't like how the market is moving. So I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow. I'll see you guys mañana. Have a good one.
Later,
Bye.
ADR. Have a good one.